everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to forcefully enable dark mode for every apps in Android 10 running smartphones. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So you can see in the screen that my Android home screen. So when I go to the settings and turn on the dark mode, so let me turn on the dark theme. So you can see here dark theme, just turn it on so it becomes black, right? So we'll try to see if all the apps become black, that is if the dark mode is turned on for every apps or not. So let me open some Google applications. So when you open a Google applications, it shows in a dark mode, right? But what about non-Google applications like third-party applications? So let me open one third-party application like Amazon. So you can see it's still in the default color. So it's not turned into the black in color. So it's not enabling the dark mode. So how you can force this third-party apps to enable in the dark mode? So for this, what you need to do, just go to the phone settings and just you can see here about phone, just tap on it, just slide down or scroll down below. You can see a build number at the bottom, just tap on it until you get your developer. You need to tap it until you get an option to turn on the developer options, as I've already turned on. So you can see when I press, you are already a developer. So you tap on this one to enable the developer option. Once you turn on the developer option, just move back. Now what you need to do, you can see here in the bottom system, retain system, just tap on it. Now you can see here below advanced, just tap on it. Now below you can see here developer options, right? Just tap on it. Now on the developer options, what you need to do, you can search or you can directly scroll down and find that respective options. So you can search for your easy conference, just type force. Under the force, you can just search for one options. You can see here at the bottom, override force dark. You can see here override force dark. You need to search for this option, override force dark. Just tap on it, so it will show you under the hardware and acceleration rendering option. You can see here override force dark, just turn this on. Okay, now let's check back the third-party applications whether it turned black or not. So let me open that Amazon applications again. So you can see here, now you can see the background is in black in color. So in this way you can enable any third-party applications in the dark mode using this cool tricks. So if you never known about how to forcefully enable dark mode for every apps in Android 10 running smartphones, then try it out today. And if you find any difficulty in understanding or in applying such cool tricks, then please feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.